So, hi, Deadlocks here again, and today is another Mrs. Deadlocks Does Something. As you can tell by the blackness of the table, I don't have a clue what I'm doing. So, what am I doing?
Do you know now?
Do you think I'm going to be able to open an ISEO? Do you think I'm going to open an ISEO?
How about now? Do you know what you're doing now?
Is that a gutting thing?
Yes, it is.
You think I'm gutting a thing? How do you expect us to do?
Mrs.
I've never even watched you gut anything.
Mrs. Deadlocks is going to gut that ISEO.
Why don't I get the fancy table?
Because the fancy one has bits of assa in at the minute.
Why do I don't know what I'm doing with this though. I can't even get the key out. The key won't come out. There we go. Oh, but how am I going to do this? I've never watched you do this before. Like, do you expect me to be able to do this? Okay, there's a magnet. Are these a magnet?
No.
What are these for then?
They're a follower. You shouldn't need that type of follower though. That's a plug holder.
What's a plug? Where's there a plug?
In the...
Where? Does it slot in? No. Are you actually kidding? What are these things? I don't even know. I know what these are. They're tweezers. I can use tweezers. What am I doing with that? Why do I need a tin opener?
That's not a tin opener.
It is a tin opener.
At least show the camera what it is.
A tin opener?
It's not a tin opener.
That's a tin opener.
Oh, that's a horseshoe remover.
There isn't even a horseshoe in this one.
There is a horseshoe in that one.
I don't know what I'm doing here. So some tweezers. There's some needle nose pliers. Needle nose pliers?
Kind of modified needle nose pliers.
Alright. There's a thing here. What on earth is this? Oh, I think this thing, you have to pull this thing down, and I think this goes in here. Maybe.
You're on the right path, but at the wrong time.
Oh, God's sake. And then, what are these things for? What's this thing for? That's another one of these things, but smaller.
Yeah, that's another plug holder, but it's for a different size plug.
What is a plug?
It's a part of the lock.
It's not. A plug is what you put in the sink to stop the water going out. There's no water in this. And what on earth are these things?
They're plug followers.
Like, did you want to have a plug? What on earth are these things? I don't know what I'm doing. I've not even watched you do these. I don't pay attention.
Oh no, that's what makes this so fun.
This isn't fun at all. There's a bit of metal on there that's going to get me. I don't know how to do this. Nothing comes out. Do I need the key in for it?
I thought you needed no man.
I don't need one. I'll work it out myself. But I hope you're not attached to this lock because I'm going to mangle it. Maybe I need the tin opener. Oh, wait a minute. There's the horseshoe. That's the horseshoe. How do I get the horseshoe off?
With the horseshoe remover.
I'm stretching it, but how do I get it off? Oh. Well, do you need it? I'm mangling your C-clip.
Yeah. There is a lot of Locksport people watching this and cringing right now.
Well, you didn't. I apologise in advance, but you didn't.
Right, this isn't in advance, you've already done it.
But I apologise that I've done it, but I have no clue what I'm doing here. Surely there's a way of trimming it underneath. You can buy more C-clips, can't you?
Probably.
Hopefully. I hope you weren't attached to this, because I definitely have mangled it. Is the lock sporting community going to hate me? Oh, oh, oh! And then it's...
It's like, oh, I do not know how to do it. No, you don't.
It's coming off anyway. It's off. Sort of, there we go. It's only a little bit bent. You did this, you said it would be fun. You said they would laugh.
Oh, I said I would laugh.
Are you still laughing? Or are you
Yes.
crying because I broke your C-clip?
I'm just...
Right, now do I need the tension tool thing?
That's not a tension tool thing.
Well, whatever, this thing. To stick it in here.
Oh.
No, stick it in there. No, stick it in that way.
No.
Will you just stop knowing me? Or is it going this way?
I think it's time for puppies after dinner going out now. So we'll be back in a moment. Back again.
Okay. So maybe we need to stick a tube in.
Down.
Maybe not, because tubes don't fit. Do you push this thing out? This dog's annoying. What do you do now? This thing doesn't pull out. Is it meant to? Do I need the key? I think I need the key. Oh, oh, oh! Oh, oh, no! Oh no, there's springs everywhere! What the hell? What's it doing? Why is it doing that? Why did it do that?
Because when you pull that plug out, you're supposed to put the plug follower in the back to stop everything pinging out.
But not everything pinged out. What did the...
Well, the key pins are still in there, but if you keep turning upside down like that, they might start falling out.
Have I broke it? How many pins should I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that's the thing from inside there, isn't it? Oh my god, more things are coming out. How do I get the... am I meant to get those things out?
Yes, you meant to get the whole thing, but you're supposed to put them in order in here.
Okay, so that one came out from there, the top one. This one came out from the bottom. No, that's a spring. That one came out from the bottom one. That I'm sure of. This one isn't out of there. So how do I get them out? How do I get them out? How do you get them out? Do I need the pokey stick? Why are you laughing? Oh, oh, ah, oh. Oh, I don't know where they came from. You can live there. You can live there. You can live there. You were definitely from the middle. And then the springs live here. Yep, the springs live there. Because the springs live there. So this thing was meant to go in here.
Yeah, that's meant to... It's one of these that slides in and fills the hole and stops everything from pinging out.
Well, why didn't you tell me this ahead of time?
Because it's more amusing this way.
I've lost a pin, I'm sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I haven't. Jiggle! It won't open, look! In, it won't jiggle.